This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the screen size on your Android phones. So there's a couple different ways that we can do this. If we just hold down on the home screen and go to settings right here, we have the home screen grid. We can change this to a different one. So we got 5x6, 4x6. I think those are my only two options on my Samsung phone. So maybe 5x6 is what I want. What is 5x6? So we have an extra icon that's on the home screen here, extra icon space, and that might be okay. So my screen just went off on me. So you can see if you want to do that. And then we got app size right here. If we want to make these bigger so they're smaller. We have the app screen grid right here, 5x6. Okay. Then we got the folder grid. So I'm going to go back to 4x6. Now another thing we can do is go to the top right settings, scroll on down, and we got display. So let's go to display here. And we got a couple of different options under here. We got like font size and style. We can increase the font size right there. We can do screen zoom if we want to zoom in on the screen. Make everything larger through here. And we can do that too. Now another thing that we can do is back out, go all the way down to about phone. Tap this, go down, software information. Look for build number under this section. You might not have it, but in the previous screen you might have build number. Tap this 7 times. Unlock developer options. You can see it's unlocked. It should be under system for other phones. Then go to search and just type in width. It'll go to developer options, minimum width. And you can see I have this on here. This is a little bit too small for me. I'm going to do like 360 maybe. And this will make it a little bit bigger for me too. This should affect your entire phone too. So I think my Samsung is a little bit smaller usually than my Google Pixel for the minimum width. So you can see this phone will look a lot bigger, kind of like how it was before. So this one was set to 411. So you can just go through there and adjust the minimum width. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.